glazing over this bus.
He's creaming himself. Yeah. Yeah, there's the iBus being removed.
So I believe this is X228 stuff.
Yeah. No.
This is a 68 range.
Wait, are you sure it's a 68? Because it's a private number plate. Yeah, this one's a private number plate.
If not, if it's this was one of the 68 ranges was withdrawn.
Yeah, it's a shame that it never went back. I think Go Ahead bought it. Go Ahead bought it.
A 17 wedge or 68 wedge. If it was actually a 17 wedge, I would know it was on the 236. If it was a 68, then it would be on like the 2 or 8 the 2 to
Yeah. So Chase Rider has one of these street lights on their service between I think it's between Walsall bus station and near Rugeley as well. So the Chase Rider has a few of them. I miss it with Stagecoach.
Yeah.
Yes, Dennis Dots. Yeah. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
And the 58 wedge E200s.
Yeah.
The 58 wedge. Yeah.
So many hills around here.
Yeah, it's a hilly area.
Luckily I went on them before it was possible to go ahead.
Yeah, very lucky.
Now the people is moving because that's his street lights.
It's your favourite, Sam?
Oh, shut up, man.
We're on one. We can't be dissing street lights when we're actually on one. You can't be doing that, Sam.
Look how bad this bus is.
It's good. It's not rattly. That's a good thing.
Well, the other street lights, they're horrible.
Yeah. But the ones